What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to build a resume using ChatGPT. Crafting a tailored resume that aligns perfectly with a job posting's requirements is crucial in today's competitive job market. With the assistance of ChatGPT, you can streamline this process and create a resume that effectively highlights your skills and experiences in line with the specific job responsibilities outlined by the potential employers. Let's explore how ChatGPT can help you customize your resume to stand out and increase your chances of landing your dream job. So first, open up a job post that you are interested in. Let's take this one for example. And from here, let's go through this post and find the key responsibilities. Now, what you have to do is highlight these key responsibilities, and let's do a right click and copy. Now, go to ChatGPT and paste it here in the text box. Now, once that's done, you can press Shift and Enter, and you can write the prompt, "Write resume achievements with metrics based on these job responsibilities." Now, after that, just hit Enter. And ChatGPT is going to give you a tailored response based on the key responsibilities that you provided. Now, after that, open up your resume. So for this example, I am using Canva to build my resume. So here, you just need to copy all these results from ChatGPT into your resume builder. So let's copy this one, for example, like this. And let's place it here and copy the rest of the results. Now, after that, you can save your resume and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.